Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will show you how to find your saved videos on YouTube easily. Whether you have saved videos to watch them later or added them to a playlist, I will show you where to find them. Let's dive right in. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you are on YouTube, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, so now you are in the library section and you can see the watch later playlist right here. Tap on it to see all the videos you have saved to watch later. And from here, you can view all of your videos which you have saved to watch later. Okay, so if you are on a desktop, so open your YouTube library from the panel located at the left hand side and simply click on Watch Later. And from there, you can view all of your videos which you have saved to watch later. And there you have it. That's how you can easily find your saved videos on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.